So we have 4 raised to x plus 6 raised to x equals 9 raised to x. This looks complicated, right? But there's a smart trick. Let us solve this. First, we have to normalize this equation. We can divide everything by 9 raised to x to simplify. Let us divide each term by 9 raised to x. So we get 4 over 9 raised to x. So this expression can be rewritten as 4 over 9 raised to x. We have 6 over 9 raised to x equals 1. Now let us simplify the fractions. So 4 is 2 squared, of course, and 9 is 3 squared raised to x plus 6 over 9 can be reduced into lowest term. They are both divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. You have 2 thirds raised to x equals 1. And we can write this as 2 over 3 squared multiplied by the exponent x, applying the power of a power rule. We have plus 2 over 3 raised to x equals 1. And this is perceived to be a quadratic equation. We can let y be equal to 2 over 3 raised to x. Hence, this equation can be rewritten as y squared plus y equals 1, right? So let us equate this to 0. Y squared plus y minus 1 equals 0. So we can solve for the values of y by using the quadratic formula. So y equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case, a is 1, the coefficient of y squared, b is the coefficient of y, which is 1, and c is the constant, negative 1. Now, let us substitute these values in the given formula. We have negative 1 plus minus square root of b squared is 1 squared, which is 1, minus 4ac all over 2 times 1. And that is negative 1 plus minus square root of, so 5 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So y can be equal to negative 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2, or y is equal to negative 1 minus square root of 5 all over 2. But since we let y be equal to 2 over 3 raised to x, this is always positive. So we will take the positive solution. So we have only negative 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2, or that can be rewritten as square root of 5 minus 1 all over 2 equals 2 over 3 raised to x. Okay? So we have 2 over 3 raised to x equals square root of 5 minus 1 all over 2. So to solve for the value of x, we can take the logarithm both sides of the equation. So let us take the logarithm. And we can apply the logarithm. We can bring down x ln 2 over 3 equals ln square root of 5 minus 1 all over 2. Okay, so to solve for the value of x, let us divide both sides by ln 2 over 3. So x is equal to ln square root of 5 minus 1 all over 2 all over ln 2 over 3. And that is the exact value of x. And that is the solution to 4 raised to x plus 6 raised to x equals 9 raised to x.